Wake up versus get up. What's the difference? Hi everyone. Today, let's learn the difference between wake up and get up. Many English learners think these expressions mean the same thing, but they don't. Wake up means to stop sleeping and open your eyes. For example, I usually wake up at 6 a.m. She woke up early this morning. Get up means to leave your bed and stand up. For example, I get up at 6:15 every morning. He got up and went to the kitchen. Here's the important difference. First, you wake up, then you get up. For example, I woke up at 6 o'clock, but I didn't get up until 6:30. In this sentence, the person opened their eyes at 6 o'clock, but stayed in bed for 30 minutes. So remember, wake up means to stop sleeping. Get up means to leave your bed. Let's try one more example. She woke up when her alarm rang, but she didn't get up right away. Easy, right? Now you know the difference between wake up and get up. Which one did you confuse before? Leave your answer in the comments and follow for more easy English lessons.